Fireworks, fireworks. We're gonna work on the fireworks. Boom, boom, boom. We thought it might rain, so I covered them up. And that's what we have to load them up in, and I'm gonna get it started. Lots of fireworks. I guess we should do the little ones first. Here's what they look like. You just kind of undo them, and then you stick them in there, and then you fuse them all up. I would show you, but it's easy. This is the other one, so I fused those up there over there in the grass right there. I fused them up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-fuse all of these so that way we can just go nuts. And I'm going to make sure I have my camera out because that one, a couple are going to go off at the same time. These are 5 ones, so that should be good. Woo! There we go. Woo! There we go. Oh, that one wasn't too good. There we go. Woo! Little baby. Woo! Yeah. That's pretty good. Yay, I think that was it.
They were bigger last year, I believe, weren't they?
Well, those were the dink bots.
Oh.
Those were the dinky ones. Yeah, these were a lot better than those first ones. Yeah, the first ones were the freebies.
Oh, I'm not gonna buy those no more.
The freebies were terrible. Yeah, now we're talking. Woo! That's pretty good. They gave us 5 boxes of freebies, which was no more freebies. There we go. Woo! Little baby. There we go. Woo!
Wow.
And a little baby. Now it's got 3 at one time. See them all going on? Oh!
Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa, down.
That wasn't my fault. That was the firework company's fault. We'll blame the firework company. That was the firework company's fault. All right, yay! Nobody got. Woo! That's what I like. That's the quads and the 5 stacks. They're gonna all start going off together in a minute. There's still some fuses going.
That was pretty, Sarah.
Yeah, that was great. That was a good finale. Woo! Oh.
Excellent, excellent.
We got one more and that'll be it.
You're shooting at me.
Y'all got a lot there. Is there more?
Yeah.
Looks like red, white, and blue.
Yeah. Lights in my face. Woo!
Go.
Right in my face, Dad. The lights in my face.
That was good.
I think that was that was a little baby finale.
Short and sweet.
It wasn't as good as the first couples, but